Hey, what's up? Lekenya Domia, Yakata ni mo ponko mienya. You don't know Stoneboy, Everlove TV. Yalem kuranwe. All right. Beep.
Of course, KETA municipality, wake up. KETA municipality, wake up. The reason why I said wake up this great afternoon is that sun winning is still going on whilst everybody is quiet on it. Baba Huata Egba Afia. Fi, ye ogako awo do akakupe. Ena ko ba fi okakumla shows you clear be. Chafua gbona afia katanva vaga. Chafua afia katanvaga, which shows clear. I'm going to show you exact place you can fika okakum koko komi yime. Exact place you can okakum ko yime. I'm going to walk through the tie of Wapa for Chiaka Tofia. I'm going to walk through that and let's go exactly where they are fetching the sun and where they are pouring it. Let's walk and let's see what exactly is going on here. Bo afiara ndokuchi ya ogava gbidi afia kukala afia omako ya afia ko don pera parama afia. Let's go and then you go and watch those things. Check here. Bo fia katara makana jo manema la afia within some few seconds or few minutes they will come back again. Anka madala kpaboga babaga Omaga babaga. Yes, Obo babaga. I'll definitely be here and see whether they will come back or not. Me miako afiko kakum koko yime. I'm a pull for Chiarua, Fuatanium, Wafio Quicotui, and check it up. Yes, a boy yama, yo a cacum coco comro. A boy yama, yo cacum coco comro. And I can tell you for a fact, but a kayo yirafia mania curvy and dokuchiao. KETA municipality, wake up and do something about this thing. Yes, abale kemo blomba. A pora la fia mo kakum ko komra. As I was trying to video that place, a man just approached me. I got a photo of Paul. I got a photo of Paul. So I'm going close to him and we can shower when I'm this great afternoon. No, never got a photo of Paul. No, I can't imagine a photo of Paul. Makwe, a KO Kukoko Poma, Nakata Yakwe, KETA municipal. Wake up, it is getting bad over here.
I got a photo of Paul. That's all what I told you. I'm telling you, I got a photo of Paul.
So what's the reason behind it?
I don't know the reason why you also came here.
I came here just purposely, but it is becoming too much. That is why I came here. Afoya, actually, my Jima boy de show so I cover up on Kuma. I can't cool of what I'm here going by Shagwell. I can't don't put up it's becoming too much. KETA municipality, wake up this great afternoon, it's become too much. Miano dom KETA municipality, miano dom. Po akoya agbara na po akaya o don pura akoya mara egbabe ni maga ele call ji ameko ngupom na. I want the person to hear me this afternoon. Anye Francis Tay, I'm the one recording this video this afternoon. Akpomekata yok pele this great afternoon. KETA municipality, wake up. MCE Honorable Emmanuel Gamaga, wake up. It is getting bad these days. Wake up. Any summer I make from na phone aja. I'm honorable. You may not make any honorable ayomolo. I want that honorable to call me this great afternoon. But me KETA yoka kumlo puata. Akoya no never drone do lashina. I only use the drone to view the inside. View a farm. Aleo kuka kokori. Emo bobokwe a kanya kare kama manya kavio dump kokoraf mo. KETA municipality. I'm saying it once again, but wake up. KETA municipality, wake up. This great afternoon. I'm a honorable iko nya na dogo no agbara be nu KETA ka kum kokomra afuma Yes, abaleke magblena aleka subarafia. It shows be what I have understood from the ladies when you be direct kamalio. Eka haya ko yo atian wo depend on. Yo kuka ko korafia na drive or never apple. This is what they are doing for us to survive at this time. But don't you by this time waga no nyo kokoko ma ekemi be chapu amadem be chiagbagba. Let's go close to all of those sand. Ika ohip ko korafia. Nyakwa le ko kume ko komdia. Magbono be mavadogo a lady are she's deaf and dumb. Apa to mangsamo mountain vopo taya eke akumo le magbulekata masamo. She's still fetching the sand. Let's go close. Akwa afio kunko komdo. Yes, that's her. She's deaf and dumb, so she don't actually understand what I'm saying. But a kakuku plan to my mesemu. Taya a kakumula and dokuchi akpela akokorafia ekunye domule. This is some of the examples we are talking about. But kaya go hip kokorafia da. Leka gbagbe dokomia umla angoloni gbaje. Leka gbagbe dokomia umla angoloni gbaje. Where? Walo hip kokorafia da. Mashama deje chi tokan. This is what is happening in KETA municipality. Actually, I come a walk Boba Malafia video ma. Okata Yogwana Koko got Troga Shijo. A pop white one other, or Bonabam or Boba Mabonaqua. Yoko got Trojo. All manager going up because they don't want me to video them. They will just hide around immediately. Majuako got Trova. This is what is happening in KETA municipality. So, KETA municipality, this great afternoon, KETA police service, this great afternoon, I'm calling upon you guys to stand up and do something about this very thing. Sand winning in KETA is becoming rampant to the extent that they don't even care about what it's going to bring at the other side. They don't even care what the municipality is saying. They are now fetching it as if they are now ringing a bell for them that they should come out and fetch sand. So KETA municipality, wake up. It is becoming too much. Abale kama blomna eke kukava zoni ke obodo fo gabe amashama na kukele jeluko po futa kwa. Ta ava zube bodomi de chare kana to a link to the roadside kwa. Okuka a hip rafma kwa fia hara. Okuka a hip rafia ha. Avuare ma ayo kpobo mokpo e bana ta egbana ka kufolo kwata. Atrojo ina be makakumo. Atrojo ina be makakumo. So this is what is exactly happening in the KETA beach. It is as if they've told a bell that, oh, folks, come and fetch sand. So everybody is coming to fetch sand. KETA municipality, I'm saying once again, wake up, or else Honorable MCE Gemega Jagbagana Onana Chuniang, or else Egbagblomre Opetaji. Mafia Kata Evazube a Gaupo no bono cooker Taukata Okaku Mafia Okata Okaku Mafia Anyunema Okukako Hiprafia Kowavako of Wako Lui. What is going on, KETA municipality? Lova Dogbo Bunanema. Chafwa kwenyam. Huh? Nke John na magbagba. Nke John na magbagba. Eka akumya no kuma alaka. Oh. Bo, this is a place, recreational center. Tohiare amu rafia. Oji jimba fia na nyanka. A place for leisure. Amona ba fia avon kaka. Eka kukula fatata echi aro rafia. Beteno amio. So these are all the things, the things that is affecting us. Huh? Yes, abale kama blebe. Eka kukufia evazo abaka do fo gaba mashamana kuka. Akpodomi afisha fina tua. O hipe ke kokoraf man. Na po here o hipe ke kokorafia. Why should it be so? Chafonya tetere mian recreational centers so gbogbo ya mesha wajijimbi adora afia. Afuata kan kakam kalom lo fuata. What exactly are we looking for? KETA municipality, I said wake up. Nyon lo fa po mo wacho adu akuka kokore podomi ababu never play. Do hia na magbagba. Do mi awum na magbagba. To the extent be nya da vole mi aroku mi anwu be mi akokore doma. Anu mama no yima. KETA municipality once again wake up. She's deaf and dumb, so I think I'll leave her to do whatever she is doing. Abaleke manya gbomba fia o ka kumla. Ye enwa course man na kpofu atafia. Check this one out. Ekpale ofufa fochi wa fumakata. Ekpala fumakata wa. Ekpo ko la fumejira. Echilafia. Oku afia kple obuta. Echaba harafia. Let's check this one. Na kpofu akona kwe gbobo fia kata vu ye fia vanva kakum. Akwe. Fia kata ovuro no gbodoma zaman. Yaro indo kutuma ha no gbodom fa. Check this one out. Afia kata na kobe ovuson kakum afia. Let's go. Just watch this one. Opufa for chu son enya la fia. For chison enya la fia because oyo nyabo ka kuma fia ta you check this akajiba pom fia kata ka kokumo la fia kata ndo kutia oga kwibli bonto fia kata na kobo education kokumo la fia mire afika no kwila fia via fio ga damp ne koraro me check this one ham ya kora